Hey guys, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures. Today I have a room tour for you guys here at the Aria, Las Vegas. It's their standard king bed room. This is room 133 on floor 29. So let's go ahead and get this tour started. Right, so this is the entryway. We have a tile flooring that goes in through the bathroom. And this is the hotel map. Here's the privacy, service, and the master on and off switch for the lights. Okay, and then panning around here is the entrance to the restroom with these sliding, I guess, barn doors. And you have the shower and soaking tub combo, which is kind of nice. It's all secluded in that little area. And then you have dual sinks. So we have dual sinks, storage for extra towels, and then the water closet or the toilet is separate over here. And there's a phone. And let's go over to the main, well, actually let's show you guys the shower. Just watch your step here, there's a tub, shower. Soaps and different products. Hair dryer. So out of the restroom, we have, here's the entryway again. We have two closets and then in the middle a set of drawers. And they also include the, what seems to be standard in most hotels, a little welcome packet with sanitizer and face masks. And then here's the closet. It's a nice sized closet, hangers, luggage rack, drawers. And then bathrobes, more luggage, another luggage rack, ironing board. And then the iron down there. You have this mirror. And then on this side you have your sheer and blackout controls for the curtains here. Open, stop, and close. So let's try close, and it'll go ahead and close them up. Stop. Then go ahead and open both. It's a little bit loud. And then again, this is the king bed standard room, the Aria. So on this side with your nightstand, lamp, you have this tablet. You pretty much control everything. Room controls, room service. If you want to have takeout or delivery, anything that you need, guest services. It tells you the weather, obviously the time. There's your reading light that you would control here. The air conditioning is up here. You have a phone, little work area, television. And a little hub here for all the connections, USBs and other outlets. The mini fridge, which everyone knows, overpriced, so we don't mess with that. Also the snacks here have been removed. We have glasses, ice bucket, this tall lamp here in the corner. We have two chairs, a nice seating area. Here's the other side of the bed, telephone, and the controls, lamp. And this room has a view on the opposite side of the strip. So you can see the mountains and you can see Vidara right over here. And that's it. It's a pretty simple room here at the Aria. It's comfortable. And if you you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.